It is possible to set up pop-up notification on customers and items. So if you want to have notification when creating specific customers or adding items to sales order lines, it's possible to do this with notification in master data information. Like this example on customer 80,000, I have created some master data on text, could have been specification as well, and I've added an information code which I have check marks to be a pop-up information code. I do that in my information code here, and I determine that as being a pop-up with a check mark here. And then I've added some information value, and I could make a long drop-down list here if I wanted to. For instance, ask for a premium account and saying to the salesperson that no premium account exists for this customer, ask to create an account, or mail rebounds, the last mail to this customer rebounds, ask for new contact mail, etc. And I've added those two information on this customer. It could also have been specific for a customer instead of a drop-down list. So instead of selecting it on the information value list, you could just have added it directly on the specific customer or item. So I've done that on a specific item for the example. So on item 1100, I've added also text, could also have been again specification. And I use the same information code notification to say, remember to ask for tire width for a specific item if the customer is selling this item. And I've made it as well on another item here, just for the tests on my back wheel. And I've added some other information here using the same information code again, saying ask for gear type. So now when I create a sales order and I have set up this to use pop-up information, and I create a new sales order for this specific customer, and using the two item numbers that I have entered, like this, new sales order, and on the sales order I will enter the customer number, like this. And it should provide two messages, first saying the first message, of course, of no premium account exists, so I have to ask the customer for that. And second, that the last mail sent blah blah blah, coming from the customer card. And likewise, when I enter my sales line, just lower the top here, and I select an item. And if the item contains pop-up information, 1100, if it contains pop-up information, it will display remember to ask for tire width. And again, I could set up more than one notification like on the customer, because my information code for notifications is set up to have multiple values. But again, then I need to set information values to do that, ask for gear type, etc.